Okay, so we've been working on evaluating expressions using the order of operations. And so now we're going to evaluate algebraic expressions. And to evaluate an algebraic expression, we'll be given values for the variables, and then we'll replace the variables with these values. And then we're going to find the numerical value of the expression by using the order of operations. Now this is going to correspond, and if you will, let's get to your books on page 11, example 4, and let's work through a couple of these examples. Okay, we're in our books, we're on page 11, we're looking at example 4. We're going to be evaluating algebraic expressions. And so we've got an algebraic expression here of a squared, parentheses, 3b plus 5 divided by c. And we've been given some values that a is equal to 2 and that b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 4. And so we're first just going to replace all the values for a, b, and c that we have here. And so that's going to give me 2 squared, parentheses, 3 times 6 plus 5 divided by 4. So I've got this expression, I've replaced the values. Now I'm going to start working in the order of operations, and I'm first going to look at this parentheses. And so inside the parentheses, I've got 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 5 divided by 4. Still going to be working within the parentheses, and I've got 2 squared. That's now times 23 divided by 4. All right, so 2 squared is 4. So I got 4 times 23 divided by 4. And 4 times 23 is 92 divided by 4. Let's move this over here so we can still see what we're doing. So I got 92 divided by 4, and my evaluation of this algebraic expression is 23. All right, how about we do one more? Let's see. We've got an algebraic expression here of 5d plus 6f minus g. And we have been given values here that we're saying that if d is equal to 4 and f is equal to 3 and g is equal to 12. Okay, so let's replace our values. So that's going to give us 5 times 4 plus, parentheses, 6 times 3 minus 12. All right, so order of operations, let's work within our parentheses first. I'm just going to leave this 5 times 4 sitting out here for just a moment. And so 6 times 3 is 18 minus 12. And we'll come back in here and finish this, what's inside the parentheses. All right, so 5 times 4 plus 6. All right, so now I'm ready to multiply. I'm on order of operations would have me multiply from left to right. And I only got one term in here that I've still got to multiply, and that's that 5 times 4. So that's 20 plus 6. And lastly, last order of operations, addition, subtraction from left to right, and 20 plus 6 equals 26. And I am done evaluating algebraic expressions.